Welcome to the Harbor and Airport Engineering. We are going to start new chapter named Natural Phenomena, in which we are going to cover wind in wind road diagram, what is wind road, force due to wind, next waves from and generation, determination of wave velocity, fetch, wave height, wavelength, which is very important to maintain a harbor and to as a harbor engineer, wave breaking, wave reflection, wave action on vertical walls, tides, tides production forces, tidal theory, tidal datums, currents, types of ocean current, lateral drift, effect of current on moored vessel. Let us start from the wind. What is wind? Wind can be defined as air in motion. It is the horizontal movement of air due to difference in air pressure, which are caused by differential heating and cooling. The path of the wind is modified by the rotation of Earth and by topography. Again, what is wind? Wind can be defined as air in motion. It is the horizontal movement of air due to differences in air pressure, which are caused by differential heating and cooling. The path of the wind is modified by the rotation of Earth and by topography. Wind, हवा, पवन, એનો પ્રેશર એ વાતાવરણમાં ગરમી અને ઠંડક એ બેના વેરિએશનના કારણે હોય છે અને વિન્ડ પ્રેશર એ પૃથ્વીના મોશન અને ટોપોગ્રાફીના ઇફેક્શન કારણે થતું હોય છે. What is the characteristic of wind? The important wind characteristics are first, direction of wind, frequency of wind, and intensity of wind. Wind mostly ત્રણ વસ્તુ પર જ ઇફેક્ટિવ છે. કઈ ડાયરેક્શનમાં આવે છે, કેટલી ફ્રીક્વન્સીમાં આવે છે અને ઇન્ટેન્સિટી કેટલી છે એના ઉપર. The direction of wind is usually specified by the compass. The frequency of wind is the percentage of time in a year it will blow from a particular direction. The intensity gives the velocity of the wind. The maritime work speed of wind is expressed in knots. 1 knot is equal to 1.852 kilometer per hour. So that wind strength is measured in terms of kilometer per hour. Speed and direction of wind vary considerable with height. Generally due to friction, the surface wind speed over the sea is taken as 2 by 3rd that at the height of 16 meter. Okay, these are the basic ideology of speed of wind at particular height. Hurricanes, typhoon, cyclone, willy, tornado, etc. are the natural phenomena caused by wind. Let us check. A hurricane is a rotational movement of air which a diameter of hundreds of kilometers. A hurricane and a typhoon, both these apply to great tropical storm that being in the ocean near the equator. Such storms in different parts of the world are known by different names. Tsunami are the similar example of one of these. In West India, it is known as hurricane, East India and China, typhoon, Indian Ocean, cyclone, Australia, Willy Willy, and America, they call it a tornado, but they all are one. A rotational moment of air with diameter of hundreds of kilometers. Generally, cyclone would be applied to the low pressure area itself or not to the resulting storm. Such storms usually blow up in sorry generally cyclone word is applied to the low pressure area itself and not to the resulting storm. Such storm usually blow up in the autumn. The wind, which has a speed of more than 120 km per hour, is often accompanied by thunder, lightning, and rain. Beaufort Square, Beaufort scale. Admiral Beaufort is 1806 developed a Beaufort scale for wind speed. In this scale, wind speed value up to 120 km per hour and over are divided into 13 sectors. The wind strength is given a numerical value varying from 0 to 12. The estimate from this scale have been found to be quite fair. Let us check table before wind scale. Description of wind, Beaufort number, wind velocity kilometer per hour. Calm 0 to 12, calm, light breeze, gentle breeze, moderate breeze, fresh, strong, moderate gale, strong gale, whole gale, storm, and hurricanes. Okay, it's divided into 13 portion which have various kilometer per hour speed 1.6 to 120 kilometer per hour. In terms of the Beaufort square, the wind velocity can be expressed as V is equal to 2.99 under root of B cube, where V is equal to wind velocity and B is equal to Beaufort number. Same as wind speed are universally measured 10 meter above the Earth's surface, and the wind speed at an elevation other than 10 meter is given by the following formula. Vz is equal to V10 into Z divided by 10 under root of, in square of 1 by 7. Wind speed at height Z meter above the ground. V10 is equal to wind speed at 10 meter above the ground. Z is equal to height above the ground in a meter. In next lecture, we are going to study wind rose. What is wind rose and why it is necessary?